Hi, I'm Garner, owner of Raintree Property Management, and this is Carlsbad. If you own a single-family home or a condo here in Carlsbad, you already know it's one of the best rental markets in North County, San Diego. So the question I want to answer for you today is a simple one. Who should manage it? Because the real question isn't who can manage your Carlsbad rental property. Plenty of companies can do that. The real question is, who's going to grow your net income over the long term and keep you out of trouble here in California without dragging you into the day-to-day? That's the job that we do. So let me give you a few numbers instead of a sales pitch. Since 2018, we've collected 99.2% of the rent roll across our entire rent roll, and that's even through COVID. We've had 0 evictions, and about 73% of our residents renew their lease, which means lower vacancy and turnover costs for you. In every maintenance call, we survey the resident. So over the last 4 years, that rating averages 4.9 out of 5 stars. So those numbers aren't luck, they come from systems. We price your home to the market and back it with data. We market it everywhere and we show it 7 days a week. We screen every applicant against the same criteria every time because California fair housing law is very strict, and that consistency is exactly what protects you. And we move fast on maintenance because the number one reason good tenants leave isn't rent, it's repairs that just get ignored. And here's what makes us different from the big countywide companies. We're North County local. The vendors we trust are North County vendors who can get to your Carlsbad property fast. We're not spread across 30 cities that look nothing like this one. So we know the difference between a village condo and a home in La Costa, and that shows up in your rent comp and your vacancy time. We're a great fit if you want a hands-off experience, you care about staying compliant, and you're ready to stop handling tenant issues and vendors yourself. We back it with a money-back guarantee and eviction guarantee on residents that we approve, and no long-term contract. You can cancel anytime with a 60-day notice. So if that sounds like what you're looking for your Carlsbad rental, a good first step is request a free rental analysis right here on this page, or just give us a call at 760-444-4601, and we'll get you a projected rent for your home, usually within 1 business day. And I'd love to help you protect your bottom line and get your evenings back. Thanks.